Let me walk you through exactly how I work with my online clients and why my clients and myself have been able to make real, consistent progress. First, I want to say that it can be very difficult to reach out and ask for help, but that is normal. Staying stuck and frustrated often comes from feeling as if you have to do everything on your own. Finding the right system and the right coach is vital to your progress, and investing in yourself will always be worth it. So here is how I work with my clients. Step 1, we set up a Zoom call so we can meet and connect. You will share your sport background, any injuries you've had in the past or maybe you're currently dealing with, and share with me also your goals that you want to work towards. This will give me a good, clear picture of where you're currently at, your schedule, and from there, we can set you up on the app where I will give you an assessment workout based off the level and what you've shared with me so we can assess your strengths, your limitations. Once we have the assessment workout done, then I can prescribe you your own personalized plan. This is not a template that I give out to everyone. Every program for every client is personalized to you, where you're training, whether that's at home or the gym, your strengths, your weaknesses, everything is catered to you. Each week you have at least 3 workouts. 2 of them you will do on your own where you just document your sets and your reps. The 3rd workout will be your check-in workouts. Everything lives within the app. So you will be able to see exact reps, sets, and every movement has a demo video of me performing the movement. So there's no guessing what you have to do. And when you upload your videos, you upload it right into the app, along with any questions or comments you have on the movement. The day after your check-in, you will receive a video feedback of me screen recording my computer with me talking in the corner. And I'll go through all of your videos, giving you form cues, showing you what to focus on for the following week, along with updating your program for the following week as well. This system works so well because we don't have to worry about time zones or conflicting schedules trying to set up a Zoom call. It gives you accountability, clear goals, visual technical feedback. So you're not just doing the reps, but you're actually learning the technique behind these skills like handstands and other gymnastic-based movements. And that is how I work with all of my clients, and I get to watch them make steady, consistent progress, unlocking their dream skills, and even start working on skills that they couldn't have even imagined for themselves. And it's why I believe in the system so wholeheartedly and why I've put so much effort into making it what it is. So if you're ready to start taking your training seriously and commit to this process, then I would love to work with you. You can fill out the form and share a little bit more about yourself with me, schedule a Zoom call so we can talk about how to make your goals a reality.